Reel?
Strip.
Oh my goodness, this is a big fish.
Let him run if he wants to run.
But keep pressure on him.
Yeah, down here.
Oh yeah. Oh crap. Okay. Should I let him run? Let it go?
No, yeah, let the line go.
Okay. I gotta keep pressure on him.
Yep. Let go. Fight him on the reel now. Not super hard, not super hard. When he's not pulling back, let him go. Hand off the line. Rod tip up.
Woo!
When he's running, hand away from the reel. I want you to put your hand out here. Now reel down. Kind of pump the rod.
Does that drag need to be tighter? Is he still on there?
Yeah, he is.
Oh.
Gonna make another run. You can use both hands and kind of, you want to put more of a bend in the rod like that.
Alright.
Reel down on him. Quick. Can't let that flat. Drop down here.
I'm gonna have to get wet.
Oh, yeah. It'll be fine.
Oh, I can feel another run coming.
Do not put your hand up here. And it'll break the rod.
Here we go.
Put both hands right there. You can use this, put it in. Oh, reel. Can't let that flat get in there.
He's swimming upstream.
Yep. Alright. Do not reel, see the leader part?
Yep.
Do not reel past that.
So like about here?
Slowly lift them up. A nice bit. About the same size as mine. When he comes close to the net, he's probably going to want to make another run.
Alright. He's got some good head shakes.
Yep, so when he gets about this distance within me, lift that head up and kind of point the rod tip towards me.
Here goes another run.
But if he's down here, I can't get him. So he's got to be brought up to the surface.
Alright.
Ready? Go down on him.
Oh. I'm just gonna let him fight it out. Alright, ready? He's coming.
Lift up.
Oh, never mind. Got one more run.
Lift up.
He's making too many runs.
Oh.
I give up.
No, dude.
I give up.
Dude,
No.
you hooked your first steelhead. Oh, great.
Not a bad fish. Oh yeah. Let me get my stuff out of the way. Look how pretty it is. Yeah, I do. Gosh,